Sweetheart, if you do that, you're gonna get a... Well, if you say so. Yep, segmentation fault. That's what I wanted to warn you about. Look. See? You're trying to read an illegal memory location here. Fix this first. Your infinite loop's a logic error. Well, it's either you get me to point it out to you, or you're down to using rubber duck debugging. You know, rubber duck debugging? You explain your code to a rubber duck and hope that you find the bug. Seriously, it's a thing. I can't tell you how many times I've strangled my poor rubber duck screaming things like, why was that fix so freaking simple? Am I seriously going blind at the age of 21? Honestly, I'm surprised that no one has suggested that the department hands out rubber ducks at orientation. I mean, sure, I guess anything else could substitute for the rubber duck, but somehow it's not the same. I think one time I forgot my rubber duck at home, and so I ended up talking to my apple when I was trying to figure something out. I got some pretty weirded out stares, but hey, at least I figured it out. I may be a dork, but you still love me anyway. Though I will admit that I'm a bit disappointed that our date nights have been reduced to me helping you debug your programming assignments. Oh well, at least I get to cuddle with you in our comfy PJs, if anything. By the way, you totally owe me cuddles after this. Now then, back to your code. Honestly, it missed me a little bit that it's not completely organized, but Look, you can technically reduce those 3 lines into 1, for example. Hey, nothing wrong with good coding practices, Sweet Pea. Why does my ability to find errors suddenly make me a robot? Being a robot would suck. I'd only be able to eat cookies. Let's just move on. You'll thank yourself later when you're writing programs that are like thousands of lines long. Also, I can't stress this enough, but make sure to keep putting inline comments as you code, not for your TA's sake, but for your own. It'll help when you're debugging. Just, all these little things will help you when you're coding. But you do have me here to help you after all. Anyways, let's get back to work.